Hello viewers, I am Saiful Islam Tuhin. So today I am going to show you how to remove your background. First that I want to tell you, for the first time I want to going to tell you that how can we remove our background. We have to remove backgrounds for so many process. Now I'm going to show you how easily you can remove background. So earlier we have used a lot of ways to remove photos from backgrounds. Now you can remove it so early and easily. That process I will show you. Okay, now you have to go any browser and open it, then you have to search on Google. After search for a minute, then open, then you can search background remover. You can search background remover. Okay. Select any one from which one you want to use. I want to use background, remove that one. You can use any one if you want. I'm searching one. There is remove background from the image. Hopefully it's going to work. About this the amazing website, I want to tell you that name. You can search, or you can search it www.remove.pg. Now you can use, how can you use that? I will show you. You don't have to sign in or log in. Now you can use it easily. Just you have to upload it, any kind of image, which image you want to use, you want to remove photos, background from that photos. I would like to choose Sakib Al-Hasan. That photos I want to remove background. Just you have to wait for a minute. Wait, did you see how magic? Now after that you don't have to do anything, just background remove it automatically. You just wait. You can see just now whatever you have to do. What you have to do, just download HD quality or preview. Download this one. If you want to download HD quality, you can click here and wait. You have to sign up for 1 credit. If you want to download HD quality, you have to sign up. But you don't want to use credit, then you can download it freely only for this image. Now this is download. I can see you. Where will be Sakib Al-Hasan? Where is Sakib Al-Hasan? Yeah, this one. Now see how easily you can remove your background from your product. Now I want to remove that one also. Okay, then again choose upload image, then this picture I want to remove background. Work is done. Now you have to click on that download. After that, just for a minute, and background will remove automatically. Just my work is done. Yeah, I have done this job perfectly. So fully I can hope that you also know how